Welcome back to Trading with CJ, and I hope you've all had an amazing Christmas full of food, fun, festivities. And today I thought we'd do a little update on the high risk portfolio. You know, it's not been too long since we had a look at it, a few weeks, but there has been some changes, so I thought why not update you all. And if you want more updates on this, the stock league, anything stock market related, then be sure to smash the like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. It's of course greatly appreciated. So I'm not going to waste any time, let's get straight into it. So the last time you saw this portfolio, we added another 1,000, making it £2,000 invested with positive returns of £469. And you may have noticed from the thumbnail, but we have now added another 1,000. So this is now a £3,000 high risk portfolio. But I have done something different with this 1,000. I've gone ahead and put it into some PIES. Now, if you're not familiar with PIES, basically it's like creating your own ETF. I've done a few different videos on them, so I'll leave it in the link in the description below. You can check it out, Trading 212 PIES. Go ahead and click those links if you want to know more. But basically, these two PIES are going to be stocks that are already in the portfolio. So I've not added any new ones. I've just built onto those current positions. And I've got two different PIES here. One is called Recovery Play and the other is called Speculative Growth. So first up, we're going to take a look at this Recovery Play PIE. And there's only two stocks in this. And these are two stocks you guys know I love. They're both in the travel sector. So I'm hoping to get some good gains on these over time once we see travel start to recover and people traveling again and these companies making money. Basically it's high risk because you know they're struggling right now, but we've added to CCL and TUI. TUI holds the big chunk of this pie, particularly 75% compared to 25% for CCL, and these are two positions that I hold in personal portfolios as well. But basically TUI currently has about 185 in this pie and CCL taking about 60. There's not much gains or movement on these at the moment. Like I said, I only made this a few days ago. I haven't quite split this evenly because I feel like CCL has had a big run up. I'm up a huge amount in my personal portfolio for CCL. Whereas TUI, you know, it hasn't seen as much gains, to be honest. It's kind of been a bit more flatlining. So I feel like there's a lot more growth there with TUI at the moment in terms of recovery play. Like I say, these are going to take a while though. So I'm not expecting any real profits on these two particularly anytime soon. And the second pie here is the speculative growth. Now the speculative growth pie got the majority of this investment, £750 compared to £250 in the recovery play. So this £750 has been split across four stocks, four of my favourite companies overall in every portfolio I own. These are four of my favourite companies and they're all speculative. So they've joined this high risk one because anything can happen. They're not really proven at the moment. They're very early days for all of these companies. Tesla's probably the most, you know, one that everybody knows and loves, but it's still early days compared to where this could be in years and years to come. So I split this with Tesla, Ttcf, Tattooed Chef, Beyond Meat, and Space, Virgin Galactic. So they're the four companies. I've done videos on all of those four. You can check them out in the links in the description below. And I haven't quite balanced this evenly. I've put the most into Tattooed Chef, then Tesla, and then Beyond Meat and Space around about the same, about 17-18%. So at the moment, this is just the pie alone, by the way, not already what was in the portfolio. Tattoo Chef is on 20% gains. It's had a big run up as of late. You know, we may see a pullback, but it's doing very well lately. They're currently on £474 in this pie already. And then we've got Tesla, 175 with a couple percent gain. And then they're all about 1 or 2%. I haven't really moved much, the last three, Beyond Meat and Space. And they've both got about £90 in it as well. So it's still early days. Like I said, I've just created these pies, but these are positions that I hold in the main portfolio. And Tattoo Chef, thanks to this pie, is now my largest position in this high-risk portfolio. And overall, it's up about 20%. £800 in there at the moment. And the second largest is now Tesla with £760. Very big gains overall, up 59%. So this pie has rebalanced my overall standings for the portfolio. But like I say, I'm happy to add to these positions. You know, these are four companies that I feel like their current price, okay, Tesla might be a bit overvalued right now and some of the others, but for what they could be worth in the future, I'm hoping at least 100% gains on all of these four companies. So yeah, I've added a little bit at higher price compared to what I had it in at the early stages. But yeah, the room for growth there is incredible. So that's the pies, no new positions there. I haven't sold out of any. I've just built on some current ones. Let's have a quick look at where we are currently on this portfolio overall. We are, at the time of recording this, up 19.46% with gains of £582. So it is going in the right direction. And please remember that this is just my high risk portfolio that I've created on the side. A lot of these stocks are going to take a long time to recover, or they are speculative. So in the future, they could be worth a hell of a lot more, and the growth potential is huge. But with that being said, I am not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing into the stock market, you should always do your own research first. So the plan now is to just keep building on this portfolio. You know, I'm happy to add to a few of these, and also I'm constantly on the lookout for some more high risk or speculative stocks. So if you have any ideas of some positions I might be able to add to this portfolio, let me know down in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video or you just want to help me out, please go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of those future updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time.